Gulmohar School had a workshop in November 2020, and we had undergone a workshop which was arranged by Cyber Peace Foundation. Based on that, we found a Cyber Peace Club. Okay, and besides knowing about the various ethical and cybercrime issues, our children also became aware of what will happen if there is a crime, a cyber crime getting committed. Then what are the laws, what are the legal issues which can be handled by them. The awareness was very nice. Our children became aware of a lot of things which they were not actually aware. Best part was that children also came to know that if a cyber crime is committed, what are the legal guidelines which they need to follow in order to prevent it or maybe take corrective action.
I'm indeed thankful to the Cyber Peace Foundation as well as WhatsApp for organizing this awareness workshop for our students. In the world of today where children are absolutely hooked on WhatsApp and on social media, it is absolutely important that they understand how they are vulnerable. And it was a very wholesome workshop in the sense that it tells them in advance that this is what you need to be careful about, this is what you need to be alert about, and not to share too much information, believing or being under the misconception that this is showing you your popularity index, whereas it doesn't do any such thing. There was a feel-good factor at the end of it, and the children did convey to us that they felt a lot more confident and a lot more, in control of life around them.
Okay, I think this has been a boon to all of us, all the schools in Jamshedpur. The fact that a workshop has been organized on cyber ethics and safety, I think this is the need for an hour.
WhatsApp and Cyber Peace Foundation, they took the initiative to form clubs and that spread awareness among the students. Today, the students are getting maximum exposure to the digital platform. And I think it is a right time to give them a do's and don'ts on that and ethic of the cyber peace. How to go for cyber safety, how to go for that, whatever the unethical practices going on the cyber safety.
Actually, that webinar was very good and informative for them, because now the students are using everything online, so they need to know that what crime can happen to them. They knew about cyberbullying, cyber stalking, and most probably if any crime happens to them, where they need to report. So that was the best, I think, takeaway of that webinar.
Okay. See, cyber safety workshop should be conducted every time, and it was a good initiative what Cyber Peace and WhatsApp has taken over, because being a computer teacher, we keep on saying children, but children, it's more attracted towards what video and what presentation is. In class 11, there was a curriculum, computing ethics, but they were not interested when I was teaching them. But they were interested in when we had such session. So it's a kind of brain teasers for them. And while online classes are going down, they are using WhatsApp, they are using Instagram. So do's and don'ts should always be told to children, and these kind of workshops will help teachers and students both, because it's a kind of awareness which will happen now and then.
It really helped our students on many topics, like how to protect their account, how to protect what they should post or what they should not post on the web, what are the, especially the netiquettes. I really impressed with the netiquettes. That is very, very important for actually students, school students, that it will help the students that they will understand what to post and what not to post. We would like to thank Cyber Peace Foundation and WhatsApp for this kind of session, such a kind of informative session, and I request them that they should conduct this session very frequently for our students and as well as for our teachers.
Being respectful is something which we don't even realize that it is something that we should always remember while using social media platform. Janice ma'am told us about that, and the protection of children against sexual offences was something very new to us which we learned that day.
like if Google Maps takes permission for your camera, like it's not logical for a map application to ask permission to access your camera. So we should not give that access to the app, because we don't know in which way the app might use it.
And even the government is promoting online transaction and everything. So we should have an idea about how we should keep ourselves safe. And there are a lot of white collar crimes. And every day it is increasing. The way, the method, every day it is changing. So online, so such workshop will help us to know how we can be safe.
The name of the club is Cyber Peace Club, and it has, we all have thought that we must be continuing with all the events that we'll be doing with it. Like especially Cyber Peace Club has organized a debate competition that was held on 23rd of December. And we had to speak on a topic that social media is highly responsible for aggravating mental and emotional health of all of us. That was a very great topic to speak on, and we all did a great thing to speak on that topic. Especially the mode of competition was online, though we all enjoyed it a lot.